Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a LinkedIn page, admin role, and billing method. Now log into Campaign Manager and choose or create an ad account. Once done, verify email and enable two-factor authentication to prevent access issues. Make sure your billing and business details match your payment source. Mismatches delay campaigns. Next, click Create Campaign Group to organize goals and name it clearly. This gets you past gatekeeping and places you immediately into campaign setup without wasted steps. Start by selecting a campaign objective because it configures bidding and optimization. Once the objective is set, define your audience precisely. Location first, then layer in job titles, skills, company size, and matched audiences if available. Next, pick the ad format. Choose sponsored content for feed reach, message for direct engagement, or video for storytelling. Make sure to set a realistic bid or use automated bidding for efficiency. After that, upload creatives and preview ads across placements before moving to budgeting. Finalize budget, schedule, and bid strategy. Choose daily versus total and specify start and end dates. Once configured, preview ads, then launch a small test to validate creatives and targeting. This controls risk and reveals performance quickly. Make sure conversion tracking or insight tag is installed for accurate attributions. If issues arise, check billing and payment methods first, confirm audience size thresholds, and review ad approval reasons in the account. Fix those, then scale gradually based on measured CPA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.